Hi guys, and welcome to your first Java video. In this video I'll just show you how to download the JDK and what software you should use to actually program in Java. And also if we have some time over, I'll tell you what Java is and why Java is so good, and the benefits and stuff like that. Yeah, you know. So let's start off by downloading the JDK. Open your browser and go to Google. And just type in JDK. So the Java JDK, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It helps you actually to program in Java. Well, without it you can't program in Java because all the variables and the scripts are in there, and the libraries and stuff like that. So if you see, hit Java SE download, the one here, the Java Platform download. So and then just scroll down and accept the license agreement, and if you want to you can actually read the license. I didn't do that, but if you like to, you know. And just, yeah, and here you have it, and just click on any of these links depending on your system. And yeah, I mean, I use Windows, so I use this link, but that depends on your system, right? So now that that is done, let's close this down, and I'll show you one small step you have to do before actually starting with Java. So if you go to My Computer and right click this and go to Properties, and hit here on the left, hit Advanced System Settings, and this will pop up, and you just press Environmental Variables, and here you have something here that you need to work on. You have three buttons here. The one on the left says New or Add or something like that. Just press that one and a new box will pop up, and with two columns. So in the first one you should write down path, that's the name of the variable, and in the second one you should write down the value for that variable, and that value should be the location of the JDK, the bin file. I'll show you how to find that one. So if you'll go to My Computer and go to wherever you installed your JDK, and hit Program and open Java, and go down to the JDK and open bin, and here you have the Java C. The C stands for compiler, so you need this when you're compiling your script. So you're translating the script that you can understand to code, so the computer can understand it, you know, like to a bunch of zeros and ones and stuff like that. So hit Properties, and then you should have the location of the file right here. Just copy that one and go back here and add New and write down path, and as the variable name you should have the thing you just copied to your clipboard. So yeah, that's basically it. Oh yeah, and you should hit enter, of course, or OK, or whatever it is. I didn't do that because I've already done that. So let's see, do I have any time for, yeah, okay. So Java is just like any other language, a simple programming language. You use it to, I don't know, you can make games, you can make cool software like graphical user interface based programs. Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's okay. I mean, the good thing about it is it works on several different platforms, not just Windows or anything like that. I mean, you can use it on almost every platform, even PlayStation or maybe Xbox. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure you can make programs or games that will work on PlayStation with Java. That's a very cool thing about Java. You don't need to translate the code so the other platforms will understand it, actually. But the downsides of Java is, I mean, it's kind of slow. So if you're into like writing a program or a software that, like, for example, a particle simulation or something where you have like tons of different variables and tons of different things, Java isn't the program to go for, then the language to go for. It's it's kind of slow when it comes to big things. It processes something, a lot of things very slowly compared to like C++ or C or the other languages in that criteria. So that's actually that. Yeah, and in the other tutorials, we'll actually program in Java with any text editor. I use Notepad++. It's kind of cool. It actually shows you the different sections of the program. It shows you the text in different colors depending on what you've written or stuff like that. So I mean, you can use any text editor. You can use Notepad or WordPad or whatever, but yeah, that's your choice. So yeah, that's it, right? I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Or yeah, I'll see you guys.